Hey there, this is Tom Mack, and I just wanted to shoot a quick video to explain how to pull renters out of our consumer opt-in email database. Now this video is for the real estate agents, mortgage companies, and title companies that are typically putting on first-time homebuyer seminars or marketing directly to the renters in your community. So we're going to look at the consumer email data, and for this example I'm just going to choose in the state of Florida. We're going to choose a radius around the zip code. So let's take 32789, which is Winter Park, Florida, and we'll do a 5-mile radius around Winter Park, Florida. Actually, let me do a 3-mile radius. A little bit less data. We'll just narrow it down a little bit. So we're going to scoot down a little bit. We want to have both men and women in this sample, but the important criteria to select is whether they own or rent their home, and we only want the renters. So we'll click this. We're not going to select any interest groups or anything else, and we'll just click check record count to see how much data is available. Okay, well we've got 12,024 renters within a 3-mile radius of 32789. So that's a good amount of data to market to. So we're going to download a sample of this data, and we're just going to call it renters. And since I'm not taking the whole data set, I'm just going to take a piece of it. Let's say, oops, 2% is not enough. Let's take 5%. It'll just give me a random sample of data within this data set just for us to take a peek at. And then I'll post it on the website for you to look at. So I'll click download. And we're going to download 50 records. Okay. And this will just take a minute. Okay, looks like our renters file is ready to download. Here it is on our download page. We're just going to click on that to download this file. Then we're going to open it up in Excel. Okay, well here's that data opened up in Excel, and I can open up some of these columns so we can see the data a little bit better. So here's our column of email addresses, first name, last name. There's our address and our city. Okay, so here's your phone number, gender, male or female, date of birth. Many records contain a date of birth. Registration date is the date that they opted into the website, wherever they opt-in came from. Ethnicity, whether they own or rent. Of course, we're just pulling renters. IP address is the IP address that they used when they opted in. Not important to you, but it's just a part of the data file. That customer's interests, and there's a detailed list of what these translate into, their interests. Longitude and latitude in case you're doing mapping. So there's the data set for renters for you to go out and start doing some marketing. Hey, thanks for watching. Tom Mack. See you soon.